Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Mendir rang ba kajala konrad kongkal sangma ulapan pau kajing sengobenyau halor kajing tuna ki kena ki bapas ya ke examen secondary school living certificate hau news nam arajar arpo. Konrad sangma ulaong bakadai kebenta ke baka sorkar ka haban simkia bat ka sorkar ka laya phlejing matru bat katnat pule puti jong kajala halor kani kebenta kaba kajing pancana susho lese kandai nadu ki skol ki badan hakaleng kajala khamtam hakithain nong kandong.
We have been, in fact, discussing about this a lot with the Education Department. It requires a lot of improvement in the grassroots level. We are seeing a number of challenges. In fact, the Education Department, along with the Deputy Commissioners, we have been having a number of meetings regarding this issue. And we have decided, in fact, a long time back, to ensure that certain areas, like for example schools and primary schools and the schools in the, not primary schools, but the secondary schools which are giving bad performance will be identified, and certain measures will be taken to ensure that more support is given to them. At the same time, we'll also ensure that a proper reporting system is created to ensure that the different syllabus which a number of schools are not able to actually complete are completed on time. So there are so many other factors are there, but it's a matter of concern, and definitely this will be on our priority for this academic year.